Good morning everybody. Today we are going to learn about Vijayanagara Empire. Vijayanagara Empire. The time is distributed like this. First we learn about introduction, then Hampi, Harihara and Bukka, Praudadevaraya, Krishna Devaraya and recap. Hampi was one such city in Vijayanagara Empire. Hampi. Hampi is one of the main areas of Vijayanagara Empire. It is where many rulers ruled and lived from. Hampi is one of the main areas of the Vijayanagara Empire. It is where the many rulers lived and ruled from. Hampi. We can see the extent of Vijayanagara Empire in this map. In this map, we can see the extent of Vijayanagara Empire. What are the other empires can you see that were ruled at the same time? Bahmani Kingdom, Reddys, Eastern Gangas. Yeah. Bahmani Kingdom, Reddys and Eastern Gangas. Vijayanagara Empire. Vijayanagara Empire was ruled by Sangama kings, the Saluva kings, the Tuluva kings and the Aravidu dynasty. In this, Vijayanagara Empire was ruled by 4 dynasties. First one, Sangama dynasty, Saluva dynasty, Tuluva dynasty and Aravidu dynasty. Vijayanagara Empire. Their emblem was a boar, as it is an avatar of Vishnu. The emblem of Vijayanagara Empire was boar. Yeah, see this image. Vijayanagara Empire. The emperors were called Hinduraya, Suratarana. The emperors of Vijayanagara were called Hinduraya, Suratarana. Their family god was Lord Virupaksha. The family god of Vijayanagara Empire was Lord Virupaksha. This is the famous Virupaksha temple in Hampi Bazaar. We can see the picture of Virupaksha temple. This was the famous temple in Hampi Bazaar. Harihara and Bukka. Harihara was the first ruler of Sangama dynasty. He laid a strong foundation for the empire, starting with the Tungabhadra. The Vijayanagara Empire started in the banks of river Tungabhadra. Harihara's brother took over after his death and expanded the empire. Here, after the death of Harihara, his brother Bukka took over the responsibility of empire and expanded the Vijayanagara Empire. Praudadevaraya, Devaraya II. A powerful ruler of Sangama dynasty was Praudadevaraya. Here, a powerful ruler of Sangama dynasty was Praudadevaraya. Many say that Devaraya was a strong administrator, an able warrior and also very fond of literature, reading and writing. He succeeded against Bahmani Sultanate and forced them to move their capital to Bidar. Devaraya II. Some people believe he was the greatest of the Sangama rulers. Some people believe that Praudadevaraya was the greatest of Sangama rulers. His empire was from Ceylon, Gulbarga, Orissa, Malabar. Krishna Devaraya was the third king in the Tuluva dynasty. Krishna Devaraya was the third king of Tuluva dynasty and is the greatest king of Vijayanagara. Robert Sewell, a foreign traveler, stated that Krishna Devaraya was a common, brave king, intelligent, soldier and diplomatic expert. He defeated his enemies and extended his empire in South India. Aliya Ramaraya. Aliya Ramaraya is the son-in-law of Krishna Devaraya. Aliya Ramaraya was the son-in-law of Krishna Devaraya. He had two men who he thought were very loyal to him. He thought to two men who were very loyal to him. The Gilani brothers, who were commanders under the rule of Sultan Adil Shah. However, this was a bad mistake as this led to the defeated Battle of the Talikota, or also known as the Battle of Rakkasa Tangadi. Battle of Talikota is also known as Battle of Rakkasa Tangadi. Battle of Talikota. The Battle of Talikota, started in 1565, was the battle fought between Hindu Vijayanagara Empire and the Islamic Deccan Sultans. The Battle of Talikota was fought between Hindu Vijayanagara Empire and the Islamic Deccan Sultanates. The battle took place at Talikota, today a town in northern Karnataka. The battle took place at Talikota. Today Talikota is a town in northern Karnataka, about 80 kilometers from the city of Bijapur. The Battle of Talikota. In this battle, Aliya Ramaraya's commanders had betrayed him. In the Battle of Talikota, the commanders of Aliya Ramaraya betrayed him. Because of this battle, the Deccan Sultanate strengthened and soon the Vijayanagara Empire declined. After the Battle of Talikota, the Vijayanagara Empire declined. What did happen to Vijayanagara Empire? What did happen? Ramaraya would change sides with different sultans against other sultans in order to help himself. After doing this many times, the sultans realized that they could not trust him and they aligned against him, thus leading to his massive defeat in Talikota. This battle ended one of the greatest Hindu empires in India. Aliya Ramaraya was changing sides with different sultans against other sultans in order to help himself. After doing that many times, the sultans realized they could not trust him and they aligned against him and they decided to fight against him, thus leading to this massive defeat in Talikota. This was leading to his massive defeat, this was leading to Aliya Ramaraya's massive defeat in Talikota. The battle of Talikota ended one of the greatest Hindu empires in India. Okay friends, this is about Vijayanagara Empire. Now we'll see the fill in the blanks. The emblem of Vijayanagara Empire was a boar. Prabhudevaraya was the greatest of all Vijayanagara rulers. Krishnadevaraya was the greatest Vijayanagara king. The battle of Rakkasa Tangadi was fought between Vijayanagara Empire and the Deccan Sultanate. Yeah friends, this is the answers. Thank you friends.